Life handed me a cup of tea that tasted like old socks in a grape. I took one sip, face like a lemon. Who ordered this hot mess? Spilled it down my shirt, right on the date. Now I'm wearing abstract art, but hey, free tie-dye upgrade.
Fashion statement from the heart.
Not my cup of tea.
No, not even close, darling.
But watch me chug it anyway, turn poison into sparkling.
Add a twist of lime and sarcasm, laugh till my side split. One ridiculous step forward,
Boom, I'm owning this shit.
deep breath, fake it till you make it. World's plot twist incoming.
Grab the popcorn, this comedy's just beginning. Boss caught me napping at desk.
Dreaming of promotions, he sneered.
I mumbled, nah, just practicing for my CEO retirement, dear. Love ghosted me mid-text, left me on red like a pro.
But I sent a meme of a sad cat.
Therapy session, zero cost, yo.
Not my cup of tea. Ha! Understatement of the century. But I'll brew my own chaos, make mediocrity my enemy. Sprinkle glitter on the disaster, call it avant-garde flair. One cheeky pirouette later, I'm dancing without a care. Pause for dramatic effect, rewind the embarrassing reel.
Smile wide. Best friend borrowed my heart and my Netflix password vanished like smoke. Woke up to scene at 2:47 a.m. and a broken promise joke.
Cried into my pillow till it looked like modern art abstract. Then I laughed so hard I snorted. Best plot twist, self-roast attack. Not my cup of tea, darling. It's straight up swamp water brew. But I'll distill the nonsense, turn tears into rocket fuel. Humor's my superpower cape, flapping in the wind so free. One sarcastic somersault, watch me rewrite destiny. Quiet now,
Feel that tickle?
that's the comeback brewing inside.
Fists clenched, grin wicked.
Time for the grand upside.
Bills stacking like Jenga, one wrong move and crash goes the tower. Landlords knocking like an impatient drum solo every hour.
Dreams hiding in the attic, covered in dust. Bunnies galore, but I dust them off. High five the mirror, yo, we're settling the score. Not my cup of tea.
Oh honey, it's nuclear waste in a mug.
But watch this volcano erupt, I'm spiking it with pure shrug.
Scream, laugh at the top, flip fade like a pancake supreme. One explosive twirl, I'm the king
of this fever dream.
Slow it down.
Savor the absurdity.
Life's bossa with extra spice.
Every pratfall, every punchline, pure gold in disguise.
Not my cup of tea.
Darling, it's the punchline of the century.
Which sharper than a switchblade.
Hard, wilder than a banshee.
Ultimate victory lap, confetti made of my mistakes. One endless giggling strut.
I'm awake, I'm awake, I'm awake.
sky is torn into various shades of blue.
The clouds were restless, but I could see through them. Your voice,
It buzzes like a steady flame.
lighthouse
Call my name. I don't know how this story will develop.
but your heart is a map.
I'll follow closely behind.
I am willing to accompany you until the end. Every twist and turn, every crooked road. When the stars fall silent and the moonlight disappears, I'll still be here. I'll still be here. The earth trembles, but I'll hold your hand.
Your laughter is our anchor.
Solid land. The storm may roar, but it can't compete with that. We created this song where our hearts meet.
I don't know what the future holds, but with you
I will run.
no wizard required.
I am willing to accompany you until the end. Every twist and turn, every crooked road. When the stars fall silent and the moonlight disappears, I'll still be here. I'll still be here.
I see stars falling into your eyes. Every moment is like a new sunrise. Your hand holds my hand, no need to disguise.
I am willing to accompany you.
The road ahead is rough, but your smile is my map.
Every twist and turn, I'll hold your hand like that.
No storm can stop us, there's no crack we can't repair.
I am willing to accompany you until the end.
Till
The end.
let's go together through fire, across the snow. Where will love take us?
I am willing to accompany you
Until the end.
Your laughter is the song that plays in my chest with you. I have found eternal rest. No shade too dark, there is no mountain to defend. I am willing to accompany you until the end.
The sea is calling, but your voice is my tide.
With you I have no reason to hide myself.
We will write our stories, no need to disguise.
I am willing to accompany you
Until the end.
no matter how far. Every wound will turn into a scar, but scars prove that love will not surrender. I am willing to accompany you until the end.
Till the end.
Till the end.
Let's go together through fire, across the snow. Where will love take us?
I am willing to accompany you until the end. Your laughter is the song that plays in my chest with you. I have found eternal rest. No shade too dark, there is no mountain to divide. I am willing to accompany you until the end. No matter how far, every wound will turn into
the shadow of the fading dawn.
I have been silent, I held my breath, feel the weight of every step.
But then you called, such a clear voice. She pulls me close, removed fear.
I am willing to accompany you until the end. Weather every storm, at every bend, hold my hand. We will never pretend. I wanna love you again and again. Stars in the sky, they watch us grow. Sleepless nights, experience highs and lows. The moonlight shines on your face, every tear and every laugh finds a home. Now we stand here tonight, belongs to us. My heart shines like a burning star. My heart shines like a burning star.
Happened in the past during a seaside vacation far away abroad. It was a warm summer, unforgettable and sultry. I saw you at the local club. I still remember it, all that charm. で